On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we will discuss abstract classes in Python. We will explain the basic mechanism of abstract classes using the ABC module, provide practical examples, and describe everything with accompanying code. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. Python's ABC module, Abstract Base Classes, is part of the standard library and is used to define abstract classes, providing a template for methods that a class should implement. Using this module enhances flexibility and robustness in class design. Abstract classes are classes used to define a common interface for concrete, instantiable classes. Abstract classes cannot be instantiated themselves. A concrete implementation must be provided in derived sub-classes. The ABC module allows you to define abstract methods or properties and enforce their implementation in the inheriting classes. If even one abstract method is not implemented, the class cannot be instantiated. To create an abstract class using the ABC module, inherit from the ABC class and define abstract methods using the abstract method decorator. Here, the animal class is defined as an abstract class and includes an abstract method called sound. This method must be concretely implemented in the subclasses. Dog and cat inherit from animal and each implement the sound method. Abstract classes cannot be instantiated directly. For example, attempting to instantiate the animal class itself will result in an error. When trying to instantiate an abstract class, Python determines that there are unimplemented abstract methods and raises a type error. If all required abstract methods are implemented in the subclass, instantiation becomes possible. It is also possible for a class to have multiple abstract methods. Unless all abstract methods are implemented in a subclass, the class remains an abstract class. In this example, the vehicle class has two abstract methods, and the car class can only be instantiated after implementing both methods. The ABC module supports not only abstract methods but also abstract properties. This enables enforcing the implementation of properties in derived classes. In this example, the shape class has an abstract property, area, and the subclass, circle, concretizes this property. In this way, using abstract classes to enforce property implementation helps maintain code consistency. By using abstract classes, you can confirm class inheritance relationships with is instance or is subclass, improving code safety and flexibility. isInstance is used to check if an object is an instance of a specified class, and isSubclass is used to check if a class is a subclass of a specified class. By designing abstract classes using the ABC module, you can clarify the interface between classes and enforce the implementation of required methods and properties. This helps maintain code consistency and reduces errors, making it particularly useful for large-scale projects. Abstract classes are an important tool in Python that support flexible object-oriented programming, enhancing class reusability and maintainability. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Thank you for watching. This channel provides practical and useful information about programming. Subscribe to the channel and let's deepen our programming skills together.